To turn off your PC or laptop, we usually click on the Windows icon, then select Shutdown. For those of you who want to turn off your computer quickly, you can make a turn off shortcut icon. To do that, right-click. Hover the cursor arrow to the new section. Then select Shortcuts. After the Create Shortcut window appears, in the location of the item column, type Shutdown -S-T --0. If you have typed it, select Next. And then select Finish. After that, right-click on the newly created shortcut. Select Properties. In the target column, the command that was made is already written. To specify the icon of the shortcut, select Change Icon. If a notification window like that appears, click OK. After that, a list of shortcuts will appear. You can choose an image for the shortcut icon. In this tutorial, I will use the commonly used turn-off icon. If it is selected, click OK. Then click Apply. And OK. To make the turn-off icon easy to use, drag and drop the shortcut to the taskbar section. If you want to use it, we only need to click the turn-off icon shortcut once, and the computer will start close all programs. That's how to make the shortcut turn-off icon. And thanks for watching.